Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to do this present continuous tense. Present means maujuda, continuous means jari, or you may say that the work that is in process. For example, I am teaching you right now. This work is in process. So that is also the example of present continuous tense. इस टेंस में हम बताते हैं ऐसा काम जो जारी हो और जो मौजूदा वक्त में मुकम्मल ना हुआ हो. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस टेंस इन उर्दू. लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द आइडियोलॉजी. इन फिक्रात के आखिर में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, पंखा चल रहा है, वो खाना पका रही है. These all are the examples of present continuous. So we have learned this thing. If in Urdu the sentence is ending at raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain, would be the example of present continuous tense. But how to translate it into English? Let's discuss about the methodology. Methodology of affirmative sentence would be, first of all, we need to have a subject, the person who is doing a work, and then we have auxiliary verbs, is, am, are, according to the subject. Then we have first form of the verb with ing, and then we have object. Then we'll be discussing about the methodology of negative. Negative means that shows negation. So the methodology of negative sentences would be subject is mr plus not, first form of the verb, then object. Then comes interrogative. Interrogative means question form. Then is mr, this helping verb would go at the beginning of the sentence to make it a question form. Then subject, first form of the verb with ing plus object, and then we have a question mark. Then we have question, when to use is, am and are. So am we use with I, is we use with he, she, it and singular, and are we use with I, we, you, they and plural. Before moving towards the exercise, let's just have a quick review of this tense. Present means maujuda, continuous means ऐसा काम जो जारी है. And the ideology of this sentence, this tense would be, इन फिक्रात के आखिर में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह आता है. Or you may say that the work that is in process. Then comes the methodology. Affirmative methodology would be subject is mr, first form of the verb, then object. And negative would be subject is mr not, first form of the verb with ing and then object. Interrogative, this helping verb would go at the beginning of the sentence, then rest of the methodology would remain same. Am will be using with I, is will be using with singular, and are will be using with the plural. Now on page number 78, we have this exercise of affirmative sentences that we are going to do. First of all, we have बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. In this sentence, subject is nullified, so we'll be adding dummy subject. It is drizzling. Number 2 we have कुआं चल रहा है. Persian wheel is working. मैं इस वक्त आराम कर रहा हूँ. I am taking rest at this time. चूल्हे से धुआं उठ रहा है. Smoke is rising from the hearth. Number 5 हम पुराने सिक्के जमा कर रहे हैं. We are collecting old coins. Number 6 मुझे have, आप मुझे अपना पता नहीं बता रहे हैं. You are not telling me your address. वो जुलूस की क़ियादत नहीं कर रहा है. He is not leading the procession. Number 3, गवर्नर जलसे की सदारत नहीं कर रहा है। द गवर्नर इज नॉट प्रिसाइडिंग ओवर द मीटिंग। वो दयानतदारी से काम नहीं कर रहा है। ही इज नॉट वर्किंग ऑनेस्टली। नंबर 5, तुम मेरी राय पर नुक्ताचीनी नहीं कर रहे हो। यू आर नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग माई ओपिनियन। नंबर 6, ये अफसर अपने फराइज से गफलत नहीं बरत रहा है। दिस ऑफिसर इज नॉट निगलेक्टिंग हिज ड्यूटीज। नंबर 7 वी हैव मजदूर काम से जी नहीं चुरा रहा है। मजदूर काम से जी नहीं चुरा रहे हैं। द लेबर्स आर नॉट शेकिंग वर्क। हम फूल नहीं सूंघ रहे हैं। वी आर नॉट स्मेलिंग फ्लावर्स। Dear students, remaining exercise is going to be your homework. Now on page number 80, we have this interrogative exercise. Number 1 we have क्या चांद निकल रहा है? Is the moon appearing? Number 2, क्या बुरे लोग बसों पर पत्थर फेंक रहे हैं? Are the bad boys throwing stones at the buses? Number 3, क्या मजदूर मिट्टी खोद रहे हैं? Are the laborers digging soil? तुम अपना मकान क्यों बेच रहे हो? Why are you selling your house? Number 5 we have क्या बशीर नया मोटरसाइकिल खरीद रहा है? Is बशीर buying a new motorcycle? औरतें कपड़े कहाँ धो रही हैं? Where are the women washing clothes? कितने आदमी इस कारोबार में शरीक हो रहे हैं? How many people are sharing this business? Rest of the exercise is going to be your homework.